Hey Nailholics, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So as you can see, we have some new gel polishes from Madam Glam to try. This is from their new collection, the Snowy Layover collection. I'm so excited to try these out. I was able to pick out 5 colors that I liked, so here they are. And I'm just going to open them up and show them to you before I swatch them. So this first one is called Ready Set Ski, and it's like this beautiful royal blue color. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's such a deep blue. And this next one is called Oh What Fun. It's like a black gel polish with all the Christmas colored glitter in it. It's so pretty, very festive. And this next one is called Oh Dear. I think that is so cute. It's like a really nice nude, very pretty. And then the next one is called Crackling Fire, and it's like this really nice earthy toned red. It's very pretty. And this last one is called Feeling Pine. It's so pretty. It looks blue on camera kind of, but it's green, you guys. In real life it's more like that Christmas shade green. I don't know why it's showing up like that. I'm so sorry about that. But here are all of my gel polishes. So now we can get into swatching them. So this first one, like I said, it is called Ready Set Ski, and you guys, look how pigmented that is. I haven't even cured it yet. This is just the first coat, you guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Madam Glam never fails to amaze me. That's gorgeous. And now we're gonna do Oh What Fun. It's so pretty. Look at all that glitter. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to use these colors. I don't even know what I'm gonna do yet. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but I'm determined to use all of these colors in one set. So definitely be sure that you're following me if you want to see the nail art that I come up with, because that's going to be in another video. So now this is Oh Dear, and again, it's super pigmented. Look how pretty that is. I love it. I love a good nude. And then we're doing Crackling Fire next. Very pretty. This is such a pretty color. And finally, we're doing Feeling Pine. And again, I don't know why this is showing up like it's kind of blue, but it's green. Like I don't know why it's showing up like that. I guess it's my lighting. I don't know. I'm sorry about that, you guys. But it's really, really, really pretty. So here are all the colors after just one coat, you guys, and I went ahead and cured it. So now I'm gonna go in and apply my second layer of gel polish. Okay guys, so here are all of the colors after the second coat, and I also applied some no wipe top coat, and the colors are absolutely beautiful. And as usual, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. Oh my gosh, I cannot decide which color is my favorite. What do you guys think? Which color do you like the most out of these? They're so pretty. I can't decide. I really like the Ready Set Ski, and I also like the Crackling Fire. But Oh What Fun is also really like fun. I don't know which one I like the most. But you guys, if you shop on the Madam Glam website, definitely use my discount code for 30% off. It's Nailholic30_1. Just be sure to check out under the pay as you go option. And as usual, I'll have everything linked down in the description box below for anyone that's interested. But that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.